In this video we'll talk about the gallery carousel. I'll give you a complete overview on how to do it, how to pull data from Salesforce and display in multiple galleries. So what you want to do is, let's say I have two records here. One's called Form Titan and they have three images: a full screen image, one original image, and then a thumbnail. And I've got another opportunity here called Microsoft, so let's see. And again, the same stuff, so I have three different images there in a field. This is the full image, original image, and a thumbnail, which is their logo. And I want to be able to bring that in a carousel and display that on Titan Web or a portal. So the common theme between both of these opportunities is that the discount percentage is 5%, which is what we're going to use to bring them back. So we'll select our opportunity, up to 20 records, and say discount percentage equals 5. And then you've got lots of fields. So this one will be your image. So original image goes here. Original title can go here, so you can choose any title you see fit from your list of opportunity records. So for example, I can choose name. This is the original alternative, so if you don't have an image, you can put an alternative there. I'm going to leave this empty for now. Thumbnail image goes there. Don't need thumbnail alternative, title or label. Full screen, go to full screen, and description will leave it as is. You can obviously pull back any description you see fit. Click apply. Click save. And then once we publish, you'll be able to see those images pulled in. So, as you can see, these are the Microsoft image, and these are the Titan image that I'm pulling directly from Salesforce dynamically. So when I go full screen, so in full screen you can see that the images change because we're now looking at the full screen images directly. And again, you can scroll them across, you can pause them, you can set them into full screen, and that's how you do it. But let's talk about general configuration as well also. So this is where you can edit your mapping, interactivity. If you want to show the navigation bars or full screen button, you can turn them off and on here. If you want to show thumbnails, you can again turn them off, turn them on here. You can do autoplay, show play button, check them if you wish. You can set conditions. So if a certain carousel image contains a word, you can affect other places as well, or set another different rule. This is where you do your Salesforce configuration. You can also do them in animation. So you can bring back in any different animation that you see fit. And then this is your metadata where you set your tag and comments. So that's the gallery carousel for you.